Hello, welcome to Noble Architects Consult, your ultimate hub for mastering architectural softwares, design workflows, and architectural design ideas. Whether you are a student, a professional architect, a lover of architectural designs, or you are just starting out, this channel is here to make powerful tools like Revit, SketchUp, Lumion, and more not just accessible but second nature. From beginner-friendly tutorials to advanced tips, real-world workflows, and architectural design ideas, I break down complex process into easy-to-follow videos so you can design smarter, faster, better, and expand your design ideas with awesome designs. We drop new contents almost every day, covering everything from 3D modeling, rendering, plugins, and industry secrets. So if you are ready to level your design skills and expand your ideas, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification. Your journey to architectural mastery starts right here. Just hit the subscribe button. It's completely free